At Clever Waste Solutions, we can slash 3 of your healthcare facility costs at zero net cost to you. These costs are for garbage, electricity, and natural gas. Let's look at the specifics. For nursing homes, hospitals, and medical centers, we can reduce your waste and recycling costs 25 to 40%. In order to qualify for this waste savings, your monthly garbage bill should be at least $2,000 per month. We can reduce your monthly PG&E natural gas bill 10% and your Southern California Edison natural gas bill 5 to 8% every month. You will continue to pay and use PG&E or Southern California Edison for the same things that you use them for now. Those clients that want to take advantage of these new electrical savings will have to become natural gas clients, and they need to do it quite quickly since it's a prerequisite for the electrical savings. Let's first review natural gas, since it only takes a few slides, and this is a prerequisite for the electrical program. Most property owners don't know that they can actually save on their PG&E and Southern California natural gas bills every month, still pay PG&E or Southern California Edison, and still use them for all the same things that they do now. And the reason for this is you can tell both of those utility companies that they have to buy their natural gas from a cheaper provider. That provider happens to be the major natural gas provider for large hotels in California and large restaurant chains, and is also the natural gas provider of the California Restaurant Association. So natural gas is all the same. There is no difference. Why not save the money? Because it makes no sense to spend more. You can go on to our website at cws4u.com, which stands for cleverwastesolutionsforyou.com, and you can go on to our online calculator that will calculate what your natural gas savings would have been over the last 2.5 years. Where the light blue arrows are pointing is where you input your average summer natural gas bill and winter natural gas bill. Where the orange arrow is pointing is where you click so that you can see the results of this analysis. And what you'll see is how much money you will save, or should say would have saved over the last 2.5 years, and what that is as a percentage. It'll also show you every single month what you would have saved. It will also answer the top 20 questions that people ask about this program. To recap, with this natural gas program, there's no setup fees or costs. It's month to month. No equipment is installed. You can cancel any time, and the contract is half a page and requires one signature. Now let's take a look at garbage, where the real savings are. We can slash your bill 25 to 40%. It's 100% performance based. And what we do in the first step is we do an audit. There's 25 steps. It takes none of your staff's time. We do all of this work, and there's no cost to you. After we gather the usage data for your waste for 2 weeks per location, we then run our analysis on this accumulated data. And we make professional recommendations, which 93% of the time have resulted in savings of 25 to 40% on your waste and recycling bills. As mentioned, you have no cost or fees for us to do this, and there is no obligation. If you then want to implement these savings that are in our recommendations, we get paid a percentage of what you actually save. We handle all of this for you. This way, our interests are identical to yours, since the more we save you, the better off we are. If there is any difference between your expected savings and your actual results, we always go with your actual results. Your current trash hauler or waste company will never make that offer. Their interest is to raise your bill, not to lower your bill. We, on the other hand, have the same interest as you. So in summary, Clever Waste Solutions is not a waste hauling company. We are a cost reduction company that is 100% performance based. And we are focused on lowering your waste and recycling costs 25 to 40%, lowering your natural gas costs and your electrical costs. Let's overview how we can help you. On trash pickups, we will monitor your trash pickup schedule, we will analyze the bins, we will photograph them, and 95% of the time we can implement a reduction in pickups that lowers your costs. There are many reasons why we can reduce the number of garbage pickups that you will have, and this always lowers your costs. We'll save that conversation for when we meet. We also have waste and recycling ordinance knowledge for each municipality, and this keeps you compliant and further reduces your costs. We enable you to implement more cost-effective recycling. Cardboard can often make up a large volume of garbage bins. By simply implementing a cardboard baler, you can significantly lower your waste costs. When it comes to basic trash, compacting can save you 25% on your bill. Compacting also means fewer garbage truck pickups. This in turn can save you money on resurfacing your parking lot since it wasn't designed for heavy garbage trucks. It was designed for cars. Fewer garbage truck pickups also mean lower carbon emissions, lesser accidents, a more aesthetically pleasing site. We also now offer solar-powered trash compactors. There are additional benefits to compacting. It discourages vandalism and identity theft. It reduces the number of pickups. It also reduces rodent problems, windblown trash, fire hazard. It reduces the cost of third parties using your garbage bins to dump their stuff in, and there are fewer complaints of messy bin areas. Green certified shredding enables you to be HIPAA compliant. This can include sending out a mobile shredding truck whenever you want, which double shreds and turns documents into confetti. If you have medical waste, we can charge your provider and change them as well. Unlike regular trash, we negotiate better rates and broker it out at considerable cost savings. We can also implement a red bag solution when required, and we educate the staff so we can further lower your waste costs. So what's the next step? Contact either Howard or Victor. We will meet you in person and answer all of your questions. To qualify, your monthly garbage bill, as mentioned earlier, should be $2,000 a month or higher. After that meeting, our staff will complete your 25-step audit, and we will determine your savings and how to get these savings. At which point, Howard or Victor will meet you a second time and show you our recommendations and their expected cost savings. If you approve, we implement whichever recommendations you approve at all or just a few of your locations. We will provide ongoing monthly reports quantifying the savings we have generated for you. A popular option that we offer is that we continue to monitor and control the bills, so if there's anything that creeps in from your trash hauler, we can see it right away and have that eliminated from your bill. When you hire us, there's no check to write, no risk. We are not adding to your to-do list. We are making your to-do list shorter and life easier and less stressful. So given that you have nothing to lose and a lot to gain by contacting us, you might want to call Howard or Victor. We're going to make your waste and recycling smart. And smart means saving money.